Before the start of this camp, Eugene said the last camp was great. How can I top it? I felt like I did that. And I've been hearing all these been talking about easy work, easy work. Who was the last person you made look easy? Who was the last person you made look easy? Exactly.
It doesn't matter who I've
No, you made no one look easy. I've made many people look easy time and time again. And guess what? You're next. I'm going to make you easy work.
You're going to be easy. I'm going to make you look easy. When I signed the contract, I didn't sign up to be a part or to take in all this. I signed up to take in what he's going to bring on Saturday night. So this is just extra. This is just what they call it, white noise. You know, back in the day when it was late, the TV shows would turn off and the screen would be like, shh. So that's what all this other is. I'm focusing purely on performance Saturday night.
I haven't met him much this week. I only met him once. But I know being under the spotlight is an acquired taste, and I'm used to this. He's mature. I heard he was like 30-something. Someone tried to bring that up, but I was like, it doesn't matter. He's a veteran in this game. I think he's mature. He can handle a spotlight, but not like me.
All I heard was you guys talking about damage. We're talking about damage here. Oh, you guys, damage this, damage that. I'm known for taking damage, and he's known for not giving it, so let's get it.
Hey, we're going to see Saturday night, right? That's the beauty of it. That's why you can't spar anymore, because you're punching the head too much.
I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Let him have him, Nine Island. Let him have him. Let him have it. Let him have it.
Oh, good.
I can't hear you to the noise,
here all
brother.
day.
I can't hear
Hey, I love
brother.
Hey, you can use them as much as you want. Saturday night, it ends for you. That's
Saturday
it.
night, we get to find out. Saturday night, we get to find out.
2-0, baby.
Saturday night,
Remember
we get
that.
to find
2-0.
out. Let's go. Man, you guys gonna find out Saturday night talking about three. This guy talking about a three-peat or something, you know? This guy don't even got 3 highlights in the UFC.
Yeah, I want to come for all them titles. I know Max is going to turn up. I'm going to turn up, and we're going to put on a show.
We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out Saturday night, my friend. We're gonna find out Saturday night who's gonna turn up.
Alex is a big, scary Brazilian. I think we all admit that. You're at an ATM, and this walks up behind you in the middle of the night. You tell me what, you're going to be walking away. But no, he's a tough dude. You know, I've trained with plenty of good kickboxers. I think I can handle it. You know, and after me and him have a war and I, beat Alex, you're going to see I'm a whole different guy. I'm going to start painting my nails, act like a female. I'm going to be wearing sunglasses inside. You know what I'm saying? This will be different, bro. I'm going to go get me suits. I'm going to get me a nice car. I'm going to trade in my 2018 Nissan Frontier, get me a Porsche. Just wait. I'm going to leave all you guys in behind. I'm going to be the best champion you've ever seen. Let's go!
Bom, a gente está falando de MMA, né? Eu também estou treinando muito. Da forma que ele vir, eu vou estar pronto, né? Se ele quiser agarrar, porra, eu tenho o meu jogo. Se ele quiser trocar porrada, porra, a gente vai sair na mão.
Well, I'm very prepared for this fight, so whatever he brings, I'm ready. If you want to strike, I'm ready. If you want to grapple, let's do it.
I'm always on the main card, no matter where I'm at, where I'm fighting. I'm putting on a show. Fans are going to be excited for me. But it's nice to feed off this. All these champions in here, all these badasses in here. I'm feeding off this. I'm excited. My body's excited. I can't wait. Thank you.
Yeah, it's great. You know, I love it. I love the energy. We're going to feed off it. We're going to give the fans exactly what they want on Saturday night and give them that barn burner. Let's go.
It'd be silly for me to not think me versus Pedro could go 15 minutes. I'm gonna put his lights out. That's the plan. But I'm also ready to go for 15. I can punch him for 15. It depends how fast he wants to get knocked out.